Good day. Today we're going to discuss carbon monoxide detectors. My name is Bill Dare from Spotlight Home Inspection. We've seen many instances where houses that needed them did not have them, so we thought, let's talk about why you need a carbon monoxide detector. So generally speaking, if you're burning a fossil fuel in your house, if there's a gas line running into it or a fuel tank in the basement or a buried fuel tank, or you have an attached garage, then your need for a carbon monoxide detector has already been established. So install one. They make combination smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors. Smoke detectors are extraordinarily important as well and should be installed in each bedroom and on each floor. But in the hallway outside of the bedrooms, you can put a combination carbon monoxide smoke detector in, and it's going to take the high road here and be safe. That's regardless of whether or not you feel you need one or not, because let's err on the side of safety. But generally speaking, if you have an all-electric house, so you don't have any gas lines running in, you don't have any fuel tanks, and you don't have an attached garage, then technically you wouldn't need a carbon monoxide detector. But I would say, why not? I would do it in my house. I have several in my house, but we do burn a fossil fuel. So that's what a carbon monoxide detector is all about. It detects the production of carbon monoxide, which is everything that burns a fuel, a fossil fuel, gives off carbon monoxide at some level. And we certainly want to be safe in our houses. So carbon monoxide detectors will help you avoid a mishap. Most times when we see a carbon monoxide poisoning problem or somebody that gets sick, it's because of improper use of an appliance. So they were using a stove to heat the house or a space heater. So if you can avoid doing all those things, most houses are set up pretty well if they've been maintained properly to avoid the hazard of carbon monoxide. But if you're burning a fossil fuel, there is no zero risk. So let's get together and put carbon monoxide detectors up. It's a good way to spend $40 and about 20 minutes of your life. Thank you. Stay well. Hopefully we see you soon at a home inspection.